This is breaking news. It's flooding. Look at that. It's flooding. Yeah. The street in front of my yard is a friggin' swimming pool.
Gary, if you're going to move the car, you might as well go get Colin. He's very...
Okay.
Just go that way and around.
Jake, get back.
Wow.
Get out of that stuff. Looks like it's getting deeper. No, I guess
No. You need to cut up to high ground, though.
I think you will, huh?
I mean, that's just like...
He needs to get in the driveway.
Didn't hear it, Chief, because it's been that bad.
I've never seen it this bad.
I have. We had it where water was halfway up the yard.
Really?
Second year we lived here.
Be careful not...
Oh, great. Time to buy flood insurance. Have we done it yet? No.
Be careful not to mention where we live, because...
He's got to post it on YouTube. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We live in Tucson. We're in Texas.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
I'm giving fake names. Oklahoma City.
Oh, look, a biker.
How stupid. Here's the way to go around. Turn up there, you idiot.
Yeah.
There might be water, more water on that.
Oh, yeah.
This is like the worst spot because it's so low-lying right here.
That was cool.
Look, it's a wave pool.
Let's go
There's
swimming.
Dylan. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I could tell Gary to bring me some clothes.
Haven't done it yet? No. Be careful not to mention where we live, 'cause oh, okay, yeah. We live in Tucson. We're in Texas. What do you mean? I'm kidding. Oklahoma City. Oh, look at bikers. Stupid. Come on, idiot. Yeah. There might be water, more water. Oh, yeah. It's just like the work we thought, because it's so low-lying right now. Look! It's a wave pool!
Be careful not to mention where we live, 'cause... Oh, okay, yeah.